Again, hello Christian, how are you? Our lecture for this week, which is lecture 2 actually, is about the topic what do you do? So let's start. It's supposed from the student to be able to list different types of jobs in Arabic language, talk about his own job, and change words from masculine into feminine by adding ta marbuta, which means you are going to differentiate jobs between masculine and feminine. The question that is posed to someone to know what's his profession or what's his job is, what do you do? What do you do means what here? What do you do means ماذا تعمل. So what here means ماذا and do you do means تعمل. ماذا تعمل is for the masculine when you're asking this question to a masculine. While if you're asking this question to a feminine, you say ماذا تعملين. The response to this question will be I'm an engineer. So in this picture we see an engineer, which means in Arabic أنا مهندس. So I'm engineer, so my job is an engineer. أنا مهندس. The second one أنا طبيب, which means as we see in the picture I'm a doctor. So the second profession or the second job is طبيب. The third picture says I'm a student. أنا طالب, because we see in the picture a child holding a pencil and the books are on the desk. So أنا طالب. Here we see in the fourth picture a tour guide, which means أنا مرشد سياحي. So أنا مرشد سياحي. So we've learned now different types of jobs in our life, which is مهندس, which is an engineer, طبيب, which is a doctor. My job is engineering. I'm an engineer. My work is in the medical field, which is I'm a doctor. I am at school, so I am a student, أنا طالب. And I am a tour guide, which means أنا مرشد سياحي. And the question that is being posed in this case is ماذا تعمل for the masculine and ماذا تعملين for the feminine, which means in English, what do you do or what's your work? Now, after we've expressed our job in different fields of life, we're going to know how do we change these jobs or these different works of people from masculine into feminine. Engineer, as we said, means مهندس. To change مهندس into the feminine, it becomes مهندسة. All what we're going to do here is to change the form of sa. Sa here is at the end of the word. Now it will be in the middle. It will become like this, and then we add ta marbuta. So to change from masculine into feminine, as we see, we should add the ta marbuta. Doctor, as we said, means tabib. Now to change it into the feminine, it becomes tabiba. Now this ba, which is in the at the end of the word, it will be changed to become ba in the middle, and then we add ta marbuta. Student, as we said, it's talib. To change it to the feminine, it becomes taliba. So this ba is going to be changed into this ba in the middle, and then we add ta marbuta. Tour guide, which is murshid siyahi, it becomes murshida siyahiya. Now first murshid becomes murshida. Here we have the letter da at the end. It doesn't change when it's in the middle. But notice here we put another form of ta marbuta. Why? Because the letter da has only two forms and cannot be connected to the letter after it. So the letter da is connected to the letter before it. So we need to use this form of ta marbuta. So مرشد سياحي. Now this ya which is at the end becomes like this in the middle, and this ya has a hand from this side, so we add this form of ta marbuta. Note that there are some letters like da that cannot be attached to the letter after it, which is da, va, ra, za, wa, and a. Since they have two forms, they take this form of ta marbuta. So now we have two forms of ta marbuta, this form and this form. So in order to change from masculine into feminine, we need to add these two forms of ta marbuta.